Hello, cheetahs. If you're watching this video, it is because you are an incoming middle school student. If you're working on your IXL summer requirements, first you need to look at your diagnostic action plan. You should have reviewed it with your teacher, and it should probably be posted on Shobi for you. In your diagnostic action plan, you have received recommended skills that are specific for you. No one else in the class will have your skills. You'll notice that the skills are divided by standard, and then the skill is underneath and it tells you what grade level it's from. Okay? You and your teacher should have sat down and conferenced and decided 5 skills that you would be working on. You can click on the skill and it will take you to whatever it is that you need to work on. Or if you are on IXL, it will also appear via recommendations. Once you log in, you will look for that little golf, I call it the little golf flag, okay? Because that will be the skills that are from the diagnostic arena. If you do not see, like this one, you do not see the little golf flag, that means that is just an extra recommendation, but it's not tied to your diagnostic action plan. And for summer, we want you to work on the 5 skills from your action plan. Okay, let me come back. So again, make sure you're signed in with your name. You can access your recommendations via the learning toolbar at the top and then going through your recommendations, or the easiest way is through that diagnostic action plan that your teacher and you looked at. Let it load, and then you just click on the link that your teacher and you have decided you will be working on. All right, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any other questions, please email your teacher or call the main office. Thank you and have a great summer, cheetahs.